In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a PDF using ILovePDF, a handy online tool that's perfect for anyone who regularly works with PDFs and needs a quick, efficient way to divide one PDF document into several. Whether you're trying to separate pages for work, school, or personal projects, ILovePDF makes the process straightforward and easy. So let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and go to the ILovePDF website, which you can easily find at ilovepdf.com. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options for different PDF tools. For today's task, we're focusing on splitting a PDF, so go ahead and click on the option that says Split PDF. Now that you're on the Split PDF page, look for the button that says Select PDF File. Click on it to open a window that will allow you to browse your computer for the PDF you wish to split. Navigate to the folder where your document is stored, select your file, and open it. This will upload your PDF to the ILovePDF platform. Once your file is uploaded, you'll have some options to customize how you'd like to split the document. You can choose to split it by custom ranges, which is particularly useful if you know the specific pages you want to separate. To do this, simply input the range numbers for the pages you wish to include in each new PDF. Alternatively, if you prefer a more structured split, you can choose fixed ranges. This option allows you to set a fixed number of pages per split. For instance, you could have a new PDF created every 5 pages or 10 pages, whatever suits your needs best. After you've set your preferred split method and you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to finalize the split. Find the Split PDF button on the screen and give it a click. The tool will then get to work separating your document based on the criteria you've established. Once the process is complete, ILovePDF will prepare the split files for download. Look for the Download Split PDF button and click on it. The newly split files will be downloaded directly to your device, ready for you to use as needed. And there you have it, your PDF document is now successfully split into separate files. ILovePDF makes what could be a complex task remarkably simple and convenient. Remember, this tool can save you a significant amount of time, especially if you frequently deal with bulky documents. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to tackle your PDF splitting tasks with confidence. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.